Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get your C23 Ornamental Metal Contractor license in California. So this license is for contractors who build and install decorative metal work such as gates, railings, balconies, staircases, and other ornamental metal features. So to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, you have a social security number or ITIN, and you have 4 years of journeyman level experience within the past 10 years. Next, complete the contractor license application and work experience form, then submit them to the Contractor State License Board with the required fee. And once it is approved, you will usually need to pass the Law and Business exam and the C23 trade exam, and you must also complete fingerprinting and submit the required bond and licensing documents. So after everything is approved, your C23 license can now be issued. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.